How to sign in TD Bank mobile app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into TD Bank mobile app. The first thing you want to do is download and install the TD Bank app on your device. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search icon and you want to search for TD Bank. Now, this is the application that you want to download in your device. So for that, tap on the install button. If you want to get more details on this app, tap on About this app option over here. Once the application has been installed, you want to launch it open. Now on the home screen, you want to enter your username and password. So go ahead and enter those details. In the first box, enter your username. On the second box, enter your password. If you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Once that is done, you want to tap on the login option at the bottom of your screen. If you have forgotten your password or forgotten your username, tap on the Need Help Logging In option. After entering your details and tapping on the login option, you will be successfully logged into your account. Now you have access to your TD accounts in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.